actually it is a fraud case in the sense that it's a case brought by fraud. It's like when someone brings
Good morning, good morning. Welcome back. How are you guys? Nice to be back. Nice to be back. Let's see. Let's see. Gotta find something fast. We have to find something fast for our friend. I'm good, guys. Thank you. Thank you for asking. Just gonna take a quick look on all pairs. See if I can see anything or not. Is the cat at support? Look at this. Aussie dollar um, did a small breakout yesterday. We didn't take it, and thank God we didn't take it. Went all the way down. Now it's coming all the way back up again. Who knows? We might get a chance here. And now, if it breaks, this is gonna be massive. This will be massive when it breaks. So just gonna wait. Let's just wait and see what happens. GJ has been pushing and pushing and pushing every day since yesterday. Every day since yesterday. Every hour, maybe better. And look at this. It did exactly what I expected here, but it didn't come enough. The only problem was with GJ that was coming from another zone. But this pullback, I knew it's gonna be a pullback to continue more. Buongiorno Francesco Bellia. Good morning from Italy. What else? What else? Your cat. Looks like your cat finally broke below. This could have been a good. This could have been a good trade, actually. Yeah, we'll see. Did you close the trade, TJ? Yeah, TJ, yes, I did close TJ. We took another one on EA later on New York session. Look at AUTJPY. Looks like it did a pretty good break and retest. Your cat. I don't like this. Only 2 candles rejecting. Euro US dollar. This looks good. If it breaks this level, it's pretty strong. USD CAD looks very good also. If USD CAD breaks, it's gonna be a good setup. The GBP CAD looks good also. If it breaks this level, we have a good range to fill. GBP Yen. We'll see. We had a few rejections. Maybe it's gonna respect the zone after it closes above. I'm gonna wait. So what would I say the best for you and for me and for everyone would be this. Just wait for this and go full margin. Nico, yesterday there was news. That's why UJ pushed all the way up, did a massive move that we haven't seen before. Look, Aussie dollar is gonna be perfecto. It's gonna be perfect. We just gotta wait. EA. What about EA? I really don't like to trade EA in these levels here. It just doesn't seem very safe. I don't know. And there's a good level. How you doing, man? Yes. How you doing? Do you do this every night? Yes, I do. Do you do the simulator sessions often for your members? Yes, every week. Sometimes we miss maybe on a week, but most of the time I can say maybe. Simulator sessions are priceless. Okay, EA. Look, EA, I don't know. See, it came all the way to the next zone here. Look where it came. So it does this. It's too risky. See, we had a pretty good zone here. And what happened after? We had a pretty good zone here. Price broke below, came to the next level. After coming to the next level, pushed all the way up, fake out. Did a retest, continue all the way up. So every time price coming from another zone, it's always too risky. It's always too risky. Here it is. If you don't see on the left, this is the zone that price did hit. So we'll wait. Aussie dollar, US dollar. This is the main setup here. Main setup. I just hope we get a breakout because this is going to be massive. Gonna have a good move today there. Hopefully, if it breaks. CAD JPY went all the way up. GJ on this 1 hour level, I don't know. I mean, we're getting plenty of rejections. What do we have on the left? Is this matching with? Yeah, it looks like it is matching with this resistance on the left. And then we have clear range to the upside. Yeah. For how much? 30 pips. Good. More rejections we have, the better the trade is going to be when it breaks. Morning. Do we need a 4-hour break on Aussie dollar? I would say a 4-hour break would be better, but a good 1-hour breakout would be also better, also good. I'm saying the 4-hour because it's clean, but if we get a good candle on the 1 hour closing above, breaking all these previous highs, then it's also on the 1 hour it's gonna be great. It wouldn't matter for me, maybe. I just want to see a good candle closing above all the previous candles. Would you have taken Aussie dollar yesterday? No, we were here. We didn't take it because it was a small breakout. We were here and we didn't take it because it was a weak breakout. See what EJ is doing. How many pips breakout would you prefer in Aussie dollar? At least more than 5, at least. 6-7 pips. Bigger breakout, better for us. Do you live in Pristina? What does that matter? I told you I'm from Turkey. I live in Istanbul.
Günaydın brother.
Günaydın Beytu. Nasılsın, iyi misin?
İyiyim sen?
İyiyim, iyiyim.
That's good. That's good. Always good. Waiting for a great trade here today.
Waiting. Can't wait for a good trade here. It's taking too long.
Yeah, unfortunately, I won't be able to take a trade at 10 a.m.
You won't be here?
Yeah, I have an appointment at 10, but I'll be back at 11. So I really hope that we get a breakout in this hour, but it doesn't look like.
10 minutes left, and it doesn't seem that we have too much right now.
Yeah, have you talked about EJ already?
Yeah, I was just looking at it, but I don't know. I don't see that much. I don't see that much. There's so many candles. Whenever I put the line, it doesn't fit. It's always in the middle of candles.
Yeah.
Like you can't find a good spot. This one maybe, but it's gonna be always in the middle of some candles. Yeah, it looks like it's not for trading right now. I mean, we had better zones below here, but
Yeah,
now
probably the openings will give us a few moves, so after that we can have the trades. Because when I look at the charts in the last hours, they didn't really move a lot of pips. Ranging
yeah,
last hours.
right now we are ranging. Even euro US dollar is good. It's good. Yeah, we have a pretty strong resistance here. But after that yesterday's move, I don't know what to think. Is this gonna have some continuation, or this move was just caused by the news and price technically was pushing up, and might just go all the way up, or are we just gonna continue and feel this way to the downside? If yes, would have a very good setup here if we do this. If we would do this, this would have been a perfect trade. One candle closing below this minor support, making a retest, and would see a very good move to the downside. But in this, I don't see that we're gonna break in this hour. Herman, what do you have here? Let's take a look. See how forcefully yeah, it's the same thing. That's what I said. You need a candle to clean everything on the left here. Boom, a nice candle, then a retest to continue, because we have a clean range to the upside. That's what I want. Is this setup good? No, EJ is out of the list right now because I don't like it. It's just not clear. It is not clear. Let's see. EA. I'd really love to see EA going to the upside better. Just look at the daily. What a mess this is. Just look at the daily. What did we say a few days ago? How big these rejections are on daily. Every day it makes a 100 pip move either to the upside or to the downside, but it's all in the same range. It's all in the same range. Just look at this. It's a 200 pip range, and every day it does the same thing. Goes on top, comes to the bottom, goes on top, comes to the bottom every day. So now you just look at this candle, gonna go all the way up again, probably. Or who knows, maybe finally we'll have a breakout. Maybe it's time for a breakout. Should we have anything else here on these secondary pairs? Looks like there was one. Pretty good one. How did you guys not see this? Or was coming from another level? Probably, yeah. Anyone that asking about gold? There's nothing on gold. There is nothing on gold. Well, let me draw this better. There's nothing on gold. What do we want to do here? Only people who who would ask for gold is people that have entered buys around here while price was dropping. Now they are in drawdown. I know that 100% sure that a lot of people are in buys on gold. They probably even bought here at this support. Big drawdown. Gold blows accounts every day. No mercy from gold. And you don't even expect. See yesterday's move? Who would expect a move like that? Nobody. It was crazy. That's why you use a stop loss, and that's why you don't trade gold that much. Don't even trade gold. So just look how many pairs we have on the right here. Plenty. Just pick and choose. Just pick and choose whatever pair you like. It's here. GU probably going down. Who knows? Maybe it's not gonna go down. Maybe it's gonna have some continuation. Maybe it's gonna fill this range. Now let's go to daily. Yesterday the news had an effect at GU also, so we got a massive rejection. Now we have a very big daily wick to fill. What can happen here? We'll see. I mean, right now wouldn't say much. I just see that we already had a break and retest here. Just the breakout was not enough, maybe. But I actually did that 10 pips breakout, came for retest, got rejected to the upside. Where are you guys? Why you didn't take this? Looks perfect. I would probably take this. USD CAD buys. I don't know. Why buys? Oh, you meant buys because of this? No, we're not taking anything here. If you want to take buys on USD CAD, it has to be on this level, because that's the next big level. Is nothing. It's still gonna be at this zone. But the new candle opened and we had a straight push on the first minute. Had a straight push at the first minute here. I was hoping that EU is gonna push down, but looks like not. Looks like it's about to push up. Let me check Aussie dollar, because Aussie dollar, yeah, it's pushing up. Yeah, this hour should bring something. This hour should bring something, because that's how it looks like. Good momentum. If we continue like this, we are breaking. I hope we just don't go too far and we end up without a trade. Yeah, G is probably gonna fill this range to the upside. GJ, it's creating good support at 400. It's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hours of rejecting a zone. It means it's pretty strong, and more rejections we're having, the better. Once you break, then we expect at least like 10-20 pip continuation to the upside. And actually, if you look on the left, we have clean traffic all the way to 139.700, almost 800. So that's a 40 pip range to the upside. Aussie dollar is flying. Yes, it is. It is. Wow. Did we have any news? Did we have any news? Wow. What a push. So it doesn't look normal for Aussie dollar. 30 pip move to the upside. Did EA melt to the downside? It looks like it, yes. 40 pips, wow. Must be something for Aussie.
Wow, bro, what a move. EU, GU.
Yeah, they all pushed. They all pushed. Why didn't they push before the candle closed? Who'd have a chance with... Look at the Aussie dollar now. Now, it's not gonna give us a chance.
Yeah, probably you will have a chance on GBP pairs or USD CAD, because they are not pushing that much. USD CAD is breaking to the downside, and I think that's pretty good zone. 0.304.
Here's the cat. Yeah, here's the cat can go as a chance.
Yeah, unfortunately, I'll not be there next hour.
Before the hour, if price has pushed, let's say 10-15 pips before the hourly, maybe you can set some pendings.
Yeah. I don't know. Can you text in the group for which you're looking for?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, bro.
No worries. We'll see. Can let's say this goes around 15 pips below. If we don't hit any zones, then we'll be good for the retest, and we'll just set pendings on the retest zone, stop loss, take profit, and done. Maybe by the way, by the time you're back, it's gonna be done.
Yeah. Okay, bro. I'm leaving then. I wish you a great session. All. Take care.
Beitu, have a nice day. See you.
Thank you, bro. See you. Bye
We'll
bye.
wait for you.
Yeah, I will be back.
Do you call this setup a classic fake out? I don't see why it is a fake out. I don't see a fake out here. If you mean because of this zone was nothing basically. Look, we're still at support. It's not that it broke a major zone. We're still rejecting the zone. We didn't go anywhere too far. I remember a trade I did a few weeks ago. I did this mistake by entering buys when price was rejecting a big zone. I entered buys on a small minor zone, and it did the same thing to me. And this time I didn't even think about it, because if you're thinking about this, then you have another zone just around here. See, plenty of rejections, plenty. But at the end we're still at this zone. It doesn't make much of a difference here, a 2-3 pip break of a minor zone, because next one is just above. There was no fake out here, just a price at support. We'll see. If Aussie dollar close like this, I mean it's not that far. It's only 20 pips from our support here. I mean we can still get a chance whenever it comes. So I think this time it's gonna be a very good confirmation. I don't see this going all the way down, making a fake out, because it wouldn't make any sense. So yeah, I hope it stays here before pushing, because this is a 15 pip range. So we'll see.
Morning, Ted.
Morning, morning.
How are you today?
I'm good. I'm good. Excited to take a trade here, but we're not getting that much.
Yeah, the market looks kind of aggressive now.
Yeah, a lot of momentum right now. Lots of momentum. Hope it doesn't go too far, because we'll end up with nothing at the end. clean. There's clean traffic on Aussie dollar. That's why I like this, because we have a clean traffic. You know, whatever this is gonna come, I'll be here to take it. I'll be here to take it. Even if I'm not here, I'm gonna put some pendings, because this is gonna be good. Look how long it took to break, and now we finally have a breakout. This will be awesome, just like GJ was. You know, it took too long. Once it broke, you know, there was no stopping. Look where GJ is right now. And this is a 4-hour chart. Look, since when it broke, 130 pip move to the upside. Same thing can happen with Aussie dollar. After all this consolidation, finally a breakout. Just hope we get a retest before that move. Euro US dollar, I said about EU before.
Did you take it on the 4-hour yesterday there?
Will I take it if it breaks?
No, I said, did you take it, the retest there?
This one?
Yeah.
No, I didn't, because I took EA. You know, if you remember yesterday.
Oh yeah, I did not, and I took
Yeah.
Euro USD and took a loss.
Yeah, you guys choose EU, I choose EA. Then EA moved pretty good, and EU went all the way back to the downside because of the news. But that was the reason I wanted EA, because very volatile, quick pips, and I was done. With EU, I knew that it's gonna take more time, so I didn't want to get involved with it, and I skipped it. I guess it was a good choice, but unfortunately for you guys, went a bit bad. But
It's following the news. The setup was very good, right?
Yeah, setup was perfect actually. You know, because it broke also this on the left. I couldn't get any better. I would take this any time of the day, every day, but you know, just the news destroyed this beautiful setup here. And you know,
sorry, but
I was about to say, if we break again, we're definitely going up, because you know, technically, like I said before, price was moving to the upside. Then news came, and you know, somehow it destroyed this a little sell. But see how price now is pushing again, because that's what the market was doing originally, you know. And slowly getting back there. Maybe we'll have another breakout, and the second retest or the second breakout. It's gonna be pretty good.
Usually that kind of news doesn't do like it.
No, I think that wasn't the reason. It had to be the other news, because that news that came, you know, not even NFP causes that kind of movement. You know, it just doesn't make any sense that news made this whole move. It was something else. The news that you sent, the one that was on Forex Factory, because that kind of news yesterday, no way it can cause a move like this. Copy trade. How's copy trade? Copy trade is good. We are 4% in profit. Here, I'll send a link to you to watch the copy trade. Previous week we had two first days or 3 days, 3 first days of the week were very tough. Took some losses, then made a whole comeback, and now we're back. at 4%, 3.90 something, so almost there. Oh, we have Champions League today. Very nice. Something good to watch. Yeah, it's true. I've said before, whatever goes down quickly comes up quickly, or the opposite. And almost every time same thing happens. Big moves gets corrected by the time. So we'll see.
And there's a theory behind it, and you know Dow Jones,
Yeah.
and it gave it the name for the guy who made this theory that said everything, like you said, everything that goes quickly come back quickly. But he usually say that the market corrects everything, even the news, or let's say the price was pushing up, and then the news pushed the price down, and then as you see slowly the price started pushing up, that correct all that kind of move.
Yeah, it does. I mean, there are traders who maybe hold positions for months. Yeah, it doesn't matter how big the drawdown is, but usually these are people who have big funds, and they don't care for a 200 pip move or 300 pip move. They're gonna wait maybe until next year to get that profit. And it's true. I've seen a lot of times what happened, when we had massive move. Look at I'm gonna show an example because I was here when this happened. Look, we had this crash on USD JPY once. This look at this. It was Asian session, I think. Before Asian session. No, that's not it. This one. Look at this. So price was around here. This crash, I saw this with my eyes, and it blew so many accounts. Look at this. And I actually took a buy on, I think, on EJ, because it happened on all JPY pairs. Look at the move, and then it got corrected all the way up. Then look what happened. Eventually price came all the way down again. But this happened all during the night. And this was how many pips? Look at this. 300, 400 pips move in a day. 400 pip move in a day on USD JPY. When this crash happened, I was there. I've never seen something like that. Some memes that are when price starts dropping and the candle goes below the monitor. It kind of was something like that. Never seen price dropping that way.
If you see every year you have the same move.
Yeah.
This year we have NCT pairs on January.
Yeah. This. I mean,
all happens in January too.
most of the time, we're still gonna be able to pass these kind of movements if you follow rules. If you're not in these kind of times trading, that was almost Asian session. When market closes for an hour, 11 a.m. and price starts to move like that's a time where we shouldn't be trading at all. Shouldn't be trading at all. So I don't know. Still, if you want to survive this on long term, all you gotta do is use good risk. Even if your strategy is not gonna be the best of all, you're still gonna have the chance to move on. As long as you use good risk. By the time you'll find also a good strategy, because even if you have the best strategy ever, if you don't use good risk, you're not gonna make anything. Still, there will be no progress. Using bad risk is gonna hold your progress. Oh, you blew your account to the crash? Yeah, I know. Plenty of people blew the accounts that day.
Especially those who trying to buy.
Yeah, I mean, whoever tried to buy, man, it just blew your account because it every minute was making another 50 pip push, another 50 pip drop, another 50 pip drop, another until it went like 400 pips. Never seen anything like that. Gladly, I was just watching. I didn't have anything, any positions open. I was just watching and seeing this crazy move that was happening. You think it should change risk parameters? No, I'm not changing anything. Right now, I'm not changing anything. Maybe I'll risk 2% here and there. Who knows?
Are you using CTrader for your personal account too?
Didn't hear you. Sorry.
Are you using CTrader for your personal account too or not?
I've opened a CTrader on Pepperstone. I'm trading on it, just getting used to it. So, like I said before, I think I'm gonna switch. Right until now, it looks perfectly. It's much more easier to trade. The app on the phone is way better than MetaTrader. Yes, it's easier to manage, to calculate risk and everything. Such a better platform. Way better, way better.
You can drag your stop loss or take profits on your phone.
Yeah, it's very good. It also have the option to close all positions, with one button. Close all, close part, all these things that we sometimes need. There was a time where I had a lot of positions open and I was not at home. Had to close, one by one. And if I had CTrader, that would be instant. And when you start to close like that positions, price might move, and you might end up taking less that you could if you would just close them instantly. And CTrader has everything. I think eventually everyone's gonna switch to CTrader.
I think the only problem is that you can see like algos or indicators or something. Like EA, you can see EA on CTrader, and MT4 has 1,000.
Yeah, I don't know. People who are serious trading forex are gonna be looking forward to CTrader. I think so. It's the platform is way better. The time of execution is also very good, very fast,
and also it has the CTrader web.
Yeah, it has the web also. And it's everything, and there's updates also, for like every here and there. MetaTrader hasn't had an update for years. And CTrader does updates every month or so. I don't know. It's way better. Just you know, on first when I tried CTrader, I didn't really like it. You know, when you're a beginner, you don't like because it's a little bit complicated. It seems complicated, but actually, it is perfect. And most of people just like a simple one like MetaTrader. Buys and sells, you don't see anything else. But here you have everything. You know, you can see your progress. You can do lots of things. On MetaTrader you can do that also, but it's just old. It's just too old school.
I tried to open positions on the trading view, I think was last year, but then it was very bad. I mean, the execution was very slow.
What the hell is wrong with USA? Why all these problems? Brokers doesn't support USA clients and all these things. I mean, is there a reason? Do you see Aussie dollar coming back from another zone? Probably not. No, I don't see anything major on the left. I think whenever it comes, it's gonna be good. We have clean traffic on the left. I see at least a 10-15 pip move to the upside once we make the retest. Retest, yeah, 350, 360. Might even have to be at 400. Might even have to be at 400 on this 1 hour. Yeah, I think somewhere here. Right now it seems like it's gonna be impossible to come, but who knows? You know, it might close around here and then come for the retest, then go for wick fill also, and some continuation to the next zone. We'll wait for it. These colors are getting boring now. Want to change them. It's been too long. Too many webinars with these colors. We need to change something. Four-hour doesn't come until an hour and a half, right? Let's see. Let's check if we have anything. Wow, look at GA. Aussie dollar was really got very strong. Euro NZD, nothing. See, it's in the middle of nowhere. There's not enough consolidation. It's not a good zone. So let's wait. CAD JPY, I don't know. No, if we get a break on 1 hour on Aussie dollar, we'll take the 1 hour too. Doesn't have to be the 4 hour only. Look at GU, it's almost filled the range. Big mistake that we didn't take GU here, but I didn't really see it. Time frame, please. Look at it, it's right in front of you. If you don't see this, leave because it's honestly it's gonna be tough for you if you can't see the time frame here. I feel sorry for you guys because you don't have enough information about this thing. Maybe you'll just get confused.
Kind of message charts today, right?
One more time. I can't really hear you that much. Are you aware of that? Or maybe just speaking low?
Well, because I'm using earphones, you know.
Okay. Have to concentrate a lot to hear what you're saying.
Also, my wife is sleeping, so that's why I'm whispering.
That's the reason. Yeah, don't wake her up. What's the time there?
30.
Didn't hear you.
8:30.
8:30. Okay, an hour earlier than us.
I'm gonna move soon, so
Oh yeah,
I will be able to speak louder.
good. You'll have an office?
Sorry, say again?
Are you gonna have an office, like a room just for? Yeah, perfect.
I'm trading from my living room.
Perfect. Let me search something here. Games while you stream. Games for streaming. We don't really have much right now happening. We have to wait. So you guys need patience. Trading, you know, I saw a guy that's a professional trader, like 40, 50 years old. No, he was around 40, I think. He said, I only do 1 or 2 trades for whole year. Like, imagine that. And we try to take 3 trades a day. pair name? You kidding me?
Yeah, now I realize what was wrong.
Oh, now you're, now even you're speaking low, you're still can hear you perfectly.
Yeah, because the settings was wrong on the Zoom, you know.
Okay, perfect now. Look, whoever asks what pair it is and what time frame, I'm just gonna ban you. Like, I'm not gonna waste your time. That's gonna be the best. Right now, see how big this is? It doesn't make any sense to ask what pair is this. AUD US dollar 1 hour. Australian dollar US dollar. You have in 2 places. 3 places here and here. And asking, I don't know, I just don't understand. So if you ask that, I'm banning you, and you're not going to be able to chat on the YouTube chat. Because it just shows you're not ready for this. Yeah, GJ is pushing up. We'll see. Maybe we'll take this. Maybe we will take this. Still we have time. Still we have time. Yeah, you're not prepared if you don't see this. Like, how can you not see this? If you can't see this, how are you going to see a small break and retest, a small detail that happens here, or here, or here? Like, it's crazy. Forex needs to, you need to pay attention to details. And if you can see major things, you won't see minor things. Back on your cat, yeah. What about your cat? What about your cat? I don't really see anything right now on your cat. Your GBP is sitting at support. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe we'll wait for GJ. GJ is very close here, but we're gonna need a 10 pips breakout. Or maybe 7-8 still can be good, because we have a clean break above. Yes, we are waiting for an opportunity to enter a trade. That is right. Yeah, like trading is not simple. It is not simple if you don't know the basic things. It's gonna be hard.
He said, what about the taxes there in Kosovo? Is that high?
I think it's 18%.
No, not too bad.
Yeah, less than 20%. I heard that in France, there's like 50% taxes. Is that true or not? Who's from France? Because I heard a while back that they take 50% of your profits.
Some states now, on USA, I think with B, then must pay like 60% or 54, something like that.
Where? US?
Yeah, I think the state of New
Yeah.
York, California, and I don't
Yeah.
remember the others.
So crazy. Yeah. Looks like it's true 50% in France. It's crazy. Yeah. This is what I say, like the government will take money from your wins. But what if you lose? Are you gonna give me something or not? Like if you lose, it's all on you. But if you win, you'll have to give me half.
Imagine you make 100K per month and the government takes 50% without doing anything, you know?
Yeah, it's pretty annoying. It's like someone's stealing your money.
It's kind of wrong. You have money.
Yeah. It's crazy. Over 400K will be taxed 60% in New York. Yeah. Looks like we have to go to Malaysia. Let's go open a bank there. Ireland is tax free. Okay, pack your things because we're going to Ireland.
Usually I leave my money on the teller or PayPal. So I don't think that I pay taxes there.
One day PayPal closes your account and it's all gone.
Imagine.
I use Skrill actually. It's good to these online banks that we have. Like you can.
Who said something about PayPal?
Us. Us.
Oh, can you say that one more time?
I said one day PayPal closes your account and everything is gone.
No, about he said he saved his money on a PayPal account.
Yeah, I think so.
Yes.
So that the trading money?
Yeah, and also on a teller.
Oh, so you transfer everything to PayPal, right?
Yeah, but now I'm using just the teller because I have the debit card too.
Oh, smart move. I'll do that too.
Yeah, do it.
Every company now almost accepts PayPal. So everything you need to pay from PayPal. You know, most of the things.
Yeah, that's true.
The worst thing that PayPal doesn't have like a credit card or debit card, but the teller does.
Yeah. I use Skrill most of the time. Since like 4 or 5 years. I'm an old member there now.
The same owner from Neteller too.
Yeah, Neteller is same, Skrill is same, PayPal is same. PayPal not working for me. Yeah, I mean, they closed my account, they banned me. I don't even know why. I didn't even use it. It was like first 2 weeks that I opened it. I was kind of trying to figure what should I do, and verifying, and they banned me straight away. What the hell is that? Why did you ban me for no reason? Yeah, also Skrill have a card. Ed, if you know about Skrill, it offers you to have a card, and if you have money on Skrill, they give you a card, withdraw money anywhere.
That's good to know because I'm going to Portugal next year for vacation.
Yeah, you can check Skrill. It's pretty good. The fees are good also. I think they're even lower than PayPal's fees. And once you start to use it, you go up on levels, and you get to a point when you have almost no percentage on withdrawals or deposits or anything.
And does this Skrill has the debit card too?
I think Skrill has, yeah, I think so. Not very sure, but you can search on Google. Uh, probably is going to tell you if they support all types of cards.
Yeah, they have prepaid card. I see over here. Yeah, which is like a debit card.
Yeah, it's very good because you can buy anything with your profits.
Exactly.
Smart move, bro.
Yeah, I'll do
TransferWise
that.
is also very good, but most of brokers don't have TransferWise. TransferWise is very good because you'll get the withdrawal in 5 hours probably. Yeah, they're very fast.
Usually I send money to Brazil in like 5 hours or 4 hours and it's there.
Yeah. TransferWise is very good. I didn't really knew about it until now, like 2-3 months ago, but it works perfectly. It's like if you withdraw from Skrill, it takes at least a day. TransferWise, 3-4 hours, it's there. What do we have? Still nothing. Still nothing yet. USD CAD is gonna be a breakout. There's still more room to push on USD CAD. I don't know if we're gonna have the retest or not, but hopefully we'll have. I hope Aussie dollar rejects a bit, like leave a wick here, come for retest and continuation.
Where do you live at?
Oh, me, United States of America.
The best thing is I think you can use Neteller or Script.
What's the first one you said?
I think you can't use Neteller or you can't have the debit card, you know.
Oh, okay, Nutella. Yeah, I heard about that one.
And also it's Skrill because the same owner.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I don't know why, but some countries they ban the debit card
Yeah, I don't know
because
about
the
that.
people avoid taxes from there.
Interesting.
You from Brazil?
Yeah, but I live in Ireland.
Oh, yeah. I speak Portuguese as well, because I'm originally from Africa.
Oh, great.
It's great to know a lot of languages.
Yeah, sure.
We have people out around the world here.
In Ireland. Yeah.
Do you have private account on Instagram? Yes, I do, but like you said, it's private. I don't even use it. There's no time for it. Would you consider me to start trading? I don't know. I don't know anything about you to suggest you something. I mean, I suggest everybody to start learning to trade, then test themselves if they're for this job or not. My favorite pair is GBP JPY. They're all successful. USD CAD has a pretty good win rate when we trade USD CAD. GJ also, I don't know. One time we checked and USD CAD had the best performance. Like all the setups we took, all the trades we took on USD CAD, the win rate was the highest on USD CAD. Do you recommend Astro FOREX for trading and education? No, I don't recommend. Have their course. There's nothing there. Where do you live? I live in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro.
Yeah, that is my neighbor.
What do you think about Swag Academy? Is it legit? No idea. No idea who that is. You changing places? Yeah, man, I'm traveling. Like a few minutes before I was in Istanbul. I'm just making things up. Like everything I say, people are gonna think that's true. So later on, I'm gonna be from Italy, maybe. How's the weather in Rio? Let me Google it and I'll tell you. Didn't expect this day to be slow. Was hoping for something fast. Was hoping for something fast. It's taking time. And have doubts that Aussie dollar is gonna come to the next candle. You take your monitors when you travel? No, actually I can't because they're too big. They are too big for now. Maybe a small one, but I'm not really taking anything. Have my iPad on vacation. Vacation is vacation. You need to go and spend your time. But traveling, like if you don't go on vacation, just traveling, it might take one. Maybe a laptop is enough. Let's see, Ash. Hope you brought something good. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Okay. Euro US dollar. Yeah, that's I don't know. Ash, are you not paying attention to zones anymore or what? Because I see that we have plenty of rejections here. Not really expecting a trade on Euro US dollar. I'm expecting a trade on Aussie dollar better because we have clean traffic on the left. AUD CAD. AUD CAD. Let's take a look. Yeah, AUD CAD. We need a clean break above this. I know that we have another zone here, but we need to, if price comes from this zone to this one, it's gonna be coming from another zone. Still, Aussie dollar is the best. Why are you using always FXCM? My mentors told me to always use Oanda. I don't know what your mentors told you, but it's not a big difference. Maybe candle closes are different. For me, it doesn't matter. 20 pips retracement. It doesn't really matter. The retracement is. Look, we have a very big consolidation box which just broke. Now, it's gonna be needed a retest, right? So. It doesn't matter how big it's gonna be. Unless it doesn't come from another zone, then it's good. Then it's good. GJ's breaking. We'll see. We'll see how it closes. We will see how it's gonna close. I'm not very confident on GBP. I don't see very strong momentum, but I don't know. Is 5 pips gonna be enough for a GBP breakout? I don't know. I don't know if 5 pips gonna be enough. Phil, if it's coming from another zone, then no. Would be considering selling USD/JPY a good option if it closed below support, corrects yesterday move? I don't know, we'll see. USD/JPY, let's take a look. I mean, looks like we're closing below this level. We had a few rejections before. Next zone is very close. It almost looks like it did reject from this zone. No, UJ is out of my list right now. I don't like UJ. What should we do about GJ? Should we do about GJ? 6 pips. Six pips. Okay, we have better close around 7 pips, and price pushed right away to the upside and is pushing more. Yeah, it is a breakout. It's almost 8 pips. Yeah, true, almost 8 pips. 7 pips. I don't know, since it's more than 5, 7, 8 pips. I think we might be good still, but we'll see. It's not that we're coming from another zone. We broke above this. Not as good as we would like to. Still a breakout. Aussie dollar closed above. I don't really see it coming all the way to make a retest on this hour. But maybe the 4 hour is going to bring us something. What else? GJ. I don't know if I want to take GJ, to be honest. I'm thinking. See the 4 hour. 4 hour pushed above also. I don't know how safe it is to take a buy here. I am not very sure. Daily looks at resistance. No, I think daily resistance is higher. It's all the way to the next zone that we said before. I don't see daily at resistance. It has more room to push up. GJ. I don't know. Maybe we can take it with a lower risk. Taking it to the lower risk. What about EA? Is it coming from another zone? Oh, looks like it broke all the way below. Okay, that's good. Well, I think EAs should be good. How much I believe in indicators? I don't believe in indicators. Yeah, EA looks good. Unlike a 4-hour breakout, but it's gonna take time. So we might have to enter 1 hour. The only thing about EA is we might have a deeper retest. That's the thing.
Can take a look on daily. EA.
EA. It's probably at support.
Yeah, also 4 hour looks like some support.
Yeah. It's just that it has passed that where candles are closed. So we might finally move to the next zone here. See, it has closed below the daily support. I don't know. I think we just might come a little deeper for a retest. See, previously where all the candles are closed, it's the same level as now. And now we have closed below. I'd rather have this Aussie dollar trade, but it's not coming. It is not coming. Let's see if we have anything else. GJ, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what to say. They just I'm not very confident on GJ. I know we have a break less than 10 pips. We say that we need at least 10 pips on GJ. This time we don't have 10 pips, but we do have a clean breakout. We do have a clean breakout. Even if it's not 10 pips, it's more than 5, it's 7. I don't know. I mean, Euro NZD retest here might work. Wow, looks like we don't have anything on left. History is being made. No, we're not gonna look that far because it wouldn't make sense. What if we take sells on EURNZD when it comes for retest here? It is a new zone actually. We don't have much rejections, but we do have some. These candles rejected the zone, they closed above. We had this rejection also. Previous candle closed without a wick on the bottom. What does that mean? That means we have good momentum, strong momentum. If we get a retest here, we might get some continuation. 800, 600, it can be easily 20 pips. The range is gives big pips here, see? Only this move would give you 20 pips. Sorry. Sorry guys, sorry. I saw that you guys didn't see this. Yeah, if it takes too long to decide, who knows? I think it's GJ. GJ has a lot more room to push up. Just, I don't know. We might making a mistake by not taking it, but I mean, we don't have many reasons why not take it. Maybe the only reason can be a small breakout. That's less than 10 pips. Because other than that, I mean, look left. We don't have anything all the way up here. This is the next zone for GJ. It can be easily to continue. If we go more on the left, on GJ, then we might go too far. But yeah, you're right. There's a very strong resistance here on the daily. The one that we had before. This very strong consolidation block that happened before. Now price is right there. But I guess that zone wouldn't make much sense right now because it was November. Now we're on December almost. Almost on December. I mean, new zones are going to be created. New zones going to be respected. I don't know. The thing is, when you want that retest, you want it right away, not when it starts to move already. I don't know. It doesn't feel safe. You know, when I'm very sure about a trade, I don't think twice. And it's taking me longer. AUD CAD didn't break, so leave it. Euro NZD. How do we know to respect when to respect the new zone? Well, the zone on the left is too far. It's months ago, so yeah. Look, what I'm thinking. Maybe, I don't know if it's better than GJ, but it looks pretty good. If we take sells on EURNZD, stop loss above this candle, it doesn't make any sense to come all the way up. That's based on how candles are forming. I would still see some continuation to the downside. And only going bearish would be enough for us to get 20 pips. Only going bearish, but after the retest, because if it goes down now, the move's gonna be done. 18 pip stop, yes. James, why do you look surprised? It would be even better to use a 20 pip stop loss, just above the previous candle. GJ is already moving. Let's see if there's any news. There's a speech on 1 hour and 47 minutes for GBP. Other than that, there's a speech on JPY. BOJ's Governor Kuroda speech. Consumer confidence, 5 hours. Yeah, I don't know. The only thing that I see is your NZD. AGA, this is the thing about EA, because putting a stop would be. I think I'm not gonna take EA, honestly. I just see this coming deeper in the zone. Might be a bit hard to find a good entry here. And where to put stop, I think there's a lot of rejections here. Might come all the way here to make the retest, because I've seen EA do this a lot of times. And I'm gonna wait for price to come at 600 here. If it comes, I'll consider it. Honestly, I would rather take Euro NZD. Yeah, the candle is 50 pips. Like, where is gonna put your stop loss? I don't know. I just don't trust it at that level. What about Euro JPY? Or what about Euro JPY? If Euro JPY is gonna break above this level, which you can see that we do have some rejections on the left here. It means you're gonna have a 10 pips breaker, right? So right at the next zone. Nothing more to add there. What's thinking about your NZD? It's already rejecting. See, small. Look how small this is. It's already 10 pips. So that's what I was saying about your NZD, because it's gonna give you quick pips here. Not gonna let us wait that much. Give me a second, I'll be back right away. Okay, what's happening? What's happening? GJ retest? No, I'm not taking GJ. I'm not sure about it. Oh, is the dollar coming down? Well, I thought it did a big pullback when you said it's coming down. Yeah, like EURNZD is not my favorite pair. I don't really like it most of the time. You know what? Why don't we just wait for Aussie dollar? It might take time, but let's not waste our percentage that we're gonna risk today in other pairs when we're gonna have you know, Aussie dollar coming. You know, I would like to take USD CAD also, but the zone is pretty far. It has to push another 10 pips to the upside. You know, GJ long, you can do it, but I don't know. It's too risky. Look, it already pushed also. Can still push more, but we're not taking. I don't feel safe. I don't feel safe on GG. And usually it makes some weird fake outs. I think this time is gonna work out, but yeah, I don't know. Let's just wait. Maybe the 4 hour on Aussie dollar, it's gonna give us the chance. Who knows? Who knows? It's not too far actually. It is not too far. For the 4 hour, you know, when I have a deep pullback, it's even better. Because the 4 hour doesn't disappoint most of the time. Can be very nice. So we'll see. And EURNZD, see the 4 hour doesn't really look good. I'm gonna skip it. Even though I see the previous candle very strong close. A retest and a pullback would be very nice, pretty nice. And who said about GCAD? Louis. Yeah, Louis. GCAD can be good also. We have a lot of projections here, and the last two candles, they are also rejecting. So we might have a very good chance here. Who knows? If GBP has enough momentum, we're going to see a break on GBP CAD and might give us a chance. And then we'll take it. But right now, I don't see much momentum on GBP. Let's wait. Look guys, you're not going to lose anything by waiting. By rushing trades, you're gonna lose and end up in a bad trade. So we'll just wait. Sooner or later, we're gonna get a chance here. We just have to wait for our moment when it comes.
would you take this trade on EuroCat that I sent on the chat?
Let's see. I don't know. I don't know how safe this would be.
Because also those flicks scared me a little bit.
Like, I see that we have the next zone above here. Like, we might have a move like that. I don't know. It kind of is the same as USD CAD that was before. Is USD CAD not coming from another zone? It might be, but I see this stronger zone than this one. I didn't even see this before when I looked at USD CAD. I didn't see this, probably because it's not that strong. See, if a zone is not seen immediately, it means it's a minor. Probably it is a minor, because you see how candles are closed in the middle of that zone, which means they don't really respect that much. EU. Yeah, EU is still in this consolidation. Can't say anything about it. Let's see if USD CAD comes higher, it might give us something. Yeah, it's true. Overthinking zones sometimes. Like Leszek found a zone here in the middle. We can barely see that. A zone here, which doesn't really seem like a zone. Leszek. Sorry, I mispronounced your name. If people are betrayed by GJ, I don't know what to say. Instead of not taking it because it looked not very good. It actually did a move first, then it came, so another reason not to take it. And now it's pushing down. Samuel, yes, that's also one thing. If you want to see if you find a minor zone, go to the 4 hour and probably won't exist. So it's the same thing. Still have more room to push down. I like USD CAD to come at 350 maybe. Maybe at 350 we can take a trade, because that's where we have also some wicks rejecting. So from the wicks to where candles are closed, we have a 5 pip range, and we can probably enter in a 5 pip range. It's not that big of a deal. 5 pip range. Let's see, USD CAD is coming. Little by little it's climbing up. 350, 360, 370, that's the zone where it would be nice to take some sells. Why are you doing live streams? To help you. That's my goal, to expand, help as much as I can to people who need help. Yes, looking for sells on USD CAD. I'm hoping that might come higher, because we might get reject from this zone, but hopefully it's gonna come a little higher. 360, 370. That would be perfect, because the zone is all the way at 400, right? So it's a little bit too far right now. GBPUSD sells. Why would you sell GBPUSD? I don't see a reason. Look at this bullish candle here. Grant, how's the copy service? Why don't you take a look? Here's the link. How long time are you doing trading? Since 2016. Let's see. Hopefully USD CAD's gonna come. Aussie dollar is not coming, still there. It's not even moving right now. Same place. Ronmani Piaichi, no idea what you're saying. Here's the cat is pushing. 24 hours, my opinion, USD JPY is gonna correct yesterday's moves. Domenico, maybe, who knows? Maybe it's gonna do it, but I don't know. We'll see about that. Do you always go for 20 pip move? Profit? Yeah, most of the time. Let's see. Waiting for USD CAD. We need just another little push above here to the upside. Just come higher. I think it's gonna be good. We've had many rejection at this level, and finally I think we're getting a good setup here. All we need is a retest here to continue though. But just I'm afraid we're not gonna get the retest, and we're gonna continue from here. Because see, once it goes bearish, fills the wick, for me it's done. We need a higher push here, then the move to the downside. So waiting. Any advice on GBP JPY? What can I say? It's already pushed below the previous candle. It's not a good sign when it does that, but who knows, might still continue up. What I would advise if you're in buys is just put your stop below this now and wait. It might push all the way down, who knows, or it might close above this level and continue up. That can be also an option, but right now it doesn't look good. Do you look at correlation between pairs to confirm a trade? No. Euro NZD is coming. We're not taking it. We're not taking Euro NZD. Yeah, probably most of the people have big spread on Euro NZD. It's probably too high. So yeah, I'm not taking Euro NZD just because 4 hour plenty of rejections here. I don't like how it looks. I'd rather take USD CAD. What about some UJ buys at the support here? But it's coming from another zone. Can this be a daily retest? Yeah, can. But it's also coming from a daily zone. Yeah, you can also wait for a 4 hour on USD CAD. Like if a 4 hour closes, 1 hour closes like this. Next candle pushes higher to make the retest, which will be also 4 hour retest. And some continuation to the downside. Is it free to copy your trades? There's a 25% fee, performance fee only, nothing else. When did you start becoming profitable? Years ago. Let's see. Still waiting, guys. Still waiting because we don't have anything concrete yet here. We're still waiting. It's hoping that GBP CAD at least pushes above this would be a good trade, but it's not enough momentum for GBP. Euro US dollar. Look, EU yesterday did break this zone, and most of us thought that we're gonna have some continuation, right? After breaking such a strong zone, then suddenly news came and pushed price all the way to the downside. So technically price was moving to the upside, but it got interrupted by some news which pushed price all the way down. But by the time that market settled down from the news, price started to move up again, because this was the original move to the upside. Now what's happening is price is coming all the way again to this zone. What can happen here is that price might reject first, might take some time, but if we do break above again, I think we're going to take buys here, because that would be a proper confirmation that right now we're just going to continue up, because this was the original move. This was just a move from the news. So I would fully trust buys once we close above this level again. That's what I would do. So yeah, we'll wait. Patience pays, okay? So let's wait. It's still early. We have lots of time till the end of the day. We have lots of time. Let's just wait. Everything you ask about copy trade is there. It tells you what's the minimum, what's the percentage I take. It's all there. You just have to look at it. How much fee do you pay per trade? What does that matter? What about buys after 4 hour close in Aussie dollars? Still good. It's just we're not having a retest, that's all. That is all, because otherwise, yeah, I would be full margin by now if we would have a retest. But we're not having. Still nothing, guys, still nothing. Beto went and came again and still nothing.
Good morning.
Beto, we don't have anything yet. You didn't miss anything.
I was wondering if you forgot me, but then I thought, no, he wouldn't forget me. And I was right.
No. You just didn't have any moves yet. We missed Geo. Well, Geo we missed since the beginning, so this was the mistake here. None of us saw Geo. I don't know how. I don't know how we didn't see this. I mean,
Yeah, wasn't the retest at 5 in the morning? Oh, the second one.
yeah, this one, because it wouldn't be a 10 pips breakout, so we would probably wait for another close or another better close. 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago, we were already here, or not.
Yeah, when the USD CAD is not good enough, or
On USD CAD, it needs to come higher.
okay.
See where the zone is.
So 4 hour would be great though, right?
Yeah, 4 hour would be great if it comes. I said at least 360, 350, maybe 400 would be perfect. So I don't know if it's gonna come. If it goes bearish, it's probably gonna fill the wick and be already done. Yeah, Joey maybe, yeah. Joey saying maybe we'll have luck now with Beto is back.
Yeah, hopefully.
Is there a possibility to get in touch with Beto? Yeah. Beto, comment on YouTube.
Yes, hold on.
They want to ask if they can get the course illegally, maybe.
Yeah. Free. I'll give you the course for free.
Why don't we have something? Wow, look at your CAD. Your CAD is pushing all the way up. Euro getting some strength here. Euro is getting some strength. Look at EA. Same thing. It's coming deeper. Can't trust anything. Man, nothing's happening right now. Hopefully. Let's check if we don't get anything, we're gonna use the Joker. We're gonna use the Joker at the end of the day.
And the joke as a goal.
Yeah. Gold is a Joker.
Dad, I'm selling your course on Instagram for free.
Okay.
Now it's about taxes. He asked me about taxes, and
Yeah, I know.
no, it's a big thing in Germany.
When you expect anything to come deeper, what is the main reason? Main reason why I expect it to come deeper is when I see a lot of rejections. And you see right now here, we have these rejections, right? But we have this also, plenty of rejections. So you can, easily see that we might even come to this point. Maybe reject, close below, then continue to the downside. It just seems like that. And when it's a volatile pair, you expect it to come deeper. How often do you live stream? Well, check the YouTube. You'll see. We don't trade GBP CHF. It is known for doing a lot of fake outs. I don't know, it's nothing happening. Yeah, EA could come all the way to 600 maybe. Even 700? Who knows? You like your cat. I don't like your cat. I don't trust it. I don't know. Maybe you're thinking about buys after breaks this.
Exactly. Because the 4 hour is more clear to me.
Yeah, but the 4 hour looks like just retesting this zone. It might reject all the way to the downside. If you want to have a trade here, you're gonna have to close all the way above this.
Exactly. For me, it has to break 4,900 clearly.
Yeah, 900 clearly, and another 10 pips above 900.
If you switch over the 1 hour, you see that that level has worked yesterday.
Next one is around here. There's too many zones.
Dad, how do you like you talked about EJ before this morning and you said there is no clear zone, like it's a big zone because wherever you put the zone it's not really good. How would you put it right now after those rejections? Will you leave it like this
On GJ?
on EJ?
EJ.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
so I
it
put,
looks like it's respecting this area.
yeah, it is. It is respecting that area. Well, the thing is, next one is just above. See, it's a 10 pip range. I said before, we have plenty of rejections here. We can say we have a resistance because also right now it is rejecting. Next one is just above here, right away. So we have these two zones here. And if you go left, you can see also this zone, how strong it is.
Yeah.
Louis, what are you drawing? What does this mean?
He's asking you to take a look on CJ.
Oh, CJ. Why didn't you say on the chat?
He did.
Oh, he did. Sorry. Sorry, Louis. I didn't see. I didn't see. Forgive me. Do you trade Euro ZAR? No, I don't. Louis, what are you thinking about KJPY? Because I don't see nothing much here. I see that there was a retest of this zone. Check the 4 hour. 4 hour is a big rejection. Check the daily. Daily is a rejection from the daily zone. Nothing much. I thought you had a setup there. Or are you thinking about sells? If you break below. Okay, sells if we break below. Yeah, we'll see. Retest happening now. Let's see what Ahmed has here. USD CAD. I don't like this zone. It doesn't seem good for me. I'm waiting for price to come higher on USD CAD. Waiting for price to go higher. The zone you drew doesn't really look that strong to me. This is a major zone here, so I better wait for price to come deeper for a retest. Look, I still like Aussie dollar. We can still have the retest on the 4 hour, I believe. I believe Aussie dollar can come for a retest. Do you believe, do you think Euro USD will continue up? I believe it should fly. I believe it can touch the sky. Yeah, it might continue, who knows. But first of all, we need to break above this resistance. Just like yesterday we did. The sun is already here. Are we gonna have a trade now, since the sun is right in my face?
DJ going to melt.
Who?
DJ.
EJ?
DJ. GBP.
A GJ? Look at this candle.
1 hour, there is a zone. Yes.
Here?
And it matches also. Left side.
This one or this one?
The lower one. Yes, this one. Go to the left, there is a wick that touched exactly this area. Yes. And also
I can
retest.
see. Well, I don't know if we get a whole pullback and a close below, then
And
yeah,
also,
that would
if
be
we close
good.
below, said the daily is turning bearish as well. And the 4 hour is a crazy rejection.
Yeah.
Bearish rejection and daily is turning bearish.
Yeah, you know what I think here? I think GJ might come at 138.800 to make a daily retest here, because didn't make one. It might come from daily retest at 138.900, 800. This daily zone here on the left that you can see. Yeah, that can be a retest for GJ. Then might continue to the upside.
What about the first zone that you drew on GJ? Is it enough? Because it's breaking the first zone that you drew. No?
It's not enough. Not enough rejection this zone. This zone is better. How long I'm streaming for today? I don't know. Should I stop now?
No.
I'm just waiting for the next candle to see what it does. I want to see if we're gonna have any trades. No, I'm gonna stay all day today in front of the screen for Lezak. We're gonna do our best to find a trade. No. How's the dollar? Come back. Let's make a retest here. Let's make a retest. Give us something. Yeah, GJ didn't give us that much.
USD CAD closed below, but wasn't that good.
I think USD CAD can be good also. Still, if it makes a small push to the upside, then continues down. Let's see. I believe I can fly. Your NZD closed below. Euro GBP went all the way up and closed above. What do we have here? UD CAD is a break on the 4 hour, but a very small one. These weak breakouts. The hell is wrong with these weak breakouts? Trying to find something, but if I have to try that much, it's not good. Let's go as the dollar should give us something today. I mean, it has to come around here at least. Even if it doesn't come for the perfect retest, at least come close in a 5 pip range.
Hey bro,
Ash, where are
I
you,
think
Ash?
I'm good bro. How are you?
Great. What do you think?
Bro, I think Eurocat can give us a trade on 1 hour because it's coming for the retest straight away.
Yeah, but look at this. Do you see this? It's right at 4 hours resistance. One guy commented on one of the videos. He said, "You called support resistance. Wake up!" I
Yeah,
went
bro.
and uh, I went and uh, watched myself. What did I say? I called support resistance, but I immediately, you know, said that I was wrong, and I uh, made up that mistake. So what the hell is wrong? Like, are you trying from a 4 hour video to find a mistake to tell me? People be like waking up to find a mistake that I did on the stream to tell me.
Yeah, it's not even. I mean, it's not the first language. It's pretty hard sometimes. Even if you know what you mean, you say something different.
People forget that English not my first language. You know how hard it is to hold a stream for 4 hours and in a different language. People think it's easy. People think it's easy. Here's the cat. We're waiting. We're waiting for that retest. It needs to come higher. We have this zone at almost 400, so I said around 370. 370 maybe. I'm from Russia.
This morning it was Turkey.
Look, just talked about your cat. Your cat right at resistance. I know that we have a level here. Maybe 1 hour it's gonna reject, but it's gonna be risky. Look at the 4 hour here. It's a very strong resistance. Are you doing mentorship? Yeah, breakingretest.com.
The website changed my life.
We have never heard you speak your native language. I already said yesterday. Good morning is Mirman JC. I'm just telling you a word. Is that not enough? Do you want to speak a whole stream in my language, but you'll understand nothing then? No. My language is the worst to explain charts. You wouldn't like to hear. I mean, some of the words doesn't have a translation.
Bro, as USD CAD is coming,
Yes.
what do you think about that 4 hour breakout? Like it closed like it was rejecting the candle structure wasn't that good, right?
Look on USD CAD. On USD CAD, we have this major zone here. I didn't understand you fully, but I'm waiting to come as close as it can to take the retest. The 4-hour also closed below. Below this is a weak breakout, but on the 1-hour it is perfect, I think. So 350 we can reject, and we can come deeper at 400. So that's a 5 pip range. So we can enter half at 350, and we can leave some more room. If it comes deeper, we can enter half at 400 in a 5 pip range. Damien, the breakout and long overdue retest confirmed with the 4-hour. I think it's too risky. Even if you're thinking about a retest after coming all the way back from this, I wouldn't say it's a retest right now. It's coming a whole different time. It's coming after days of days. Everything can change until then. And if you look closely, you already had a breakout and a retest here. If you look closely. Maybe I should put a flag on the stream so people know where I'm from. I did one time, then I don't know why I.
Yeah, I remember you wrote it on YouTube. I am from Kosovo.
Let me find a flag here. Yeah, let me see. I think I already have one.
Bro, then they will ask like, which flag is this?
Oh, I remember that.
No.
I remember when I was living in Miami. Someone asked me like, where are you from, and I sent the Turkish flag, and the person was like, what kind of flag is this with a star and the moon? And I'm like, bro, are you kidding?
I mean, just go on Google search. It's easy.
Bro, put an earth emoji. You are from Earth. You all are from Earth.
Let me see. Oh, it's too big. Somewhere where it doesn't interrupt anything. Yeah, here it is. Kosovo flag and Albanian flag, because we are the same almost. Different states, same native, same nation. Sorry.
Different countries, right?
Yeah, different countries, same nation. You never seen that flag in your life. Well, how could you? That's why I'm here, to represent Kosovo and Albania. I'm an ambassador of my country. What is like in Kosovo? What can I say? I mean, it's not bad. It's not that bad. It's good. It's not the best.
Bro, I'm gonna send you something. Check your Insta. Or check your Telegram.
Where do you send?
On Telegram, check. Just right now.
You see, my phone was off. It's not opening. I knew people gonna do that. We have a nice photo. So this is a guy who's been asking for what pair is this? Kill boats and a big. Very funny.
Bro, Shakiri and Granit Xhaka are from Kosovo.
Yes.
Like it's
Yes, they are from
they,
Kosovo.
but they play for Switzerland, right?
Yeah, they play for Switzerland. Our team was created, lately, so they were playing from Switzerland a long time ago. Maybe in future they'll change it. Who knows?
I remember like Edin Dzeko. He played for like Manchester City. I thought he was from Kosovo as well, but
No,
then I
he's
searched him.
from
He was
Bosnia.
from yes, Bosnia.
He's from Bosnia. Edin Dzeko.
Bro, these are good players. They should come back.
Yeah, like if they come back, but our team is not very experienced. That would bring a lot of experience. Maybe they'll wait until we become better, and then they'll come. It's taking too much time. Aussie dollar's not coming. What are we gonna do today? Not having enough. Are you gonna plan to make special offers? Yeah, a special offer is coming on Black Friday. Price is going up. No discounts. No discounts. Discounts are the worst thing you can do because it is not fair to other clients. Let's say, like if you sell something for $100 to 100 clients today, tomorrow there's a sale and you sell it for $50 to other people. It's just not right for the people that bought it for $100. This is different. This never is gonna go on discount. It's just going up. Price is going up. When people ask me question, what pair is this? That's every question like that. Mentorship goes up for $5. No, let's say one, because there's too many questions. Price is gonna go too high. For every question, it's gonna go for $1. Price is gonna increase for $1 for every question like that, because I just want people who are serious about this and already know things, not come and ask what is a candle. And it's honestly it's not expensive. Let's be honest, it's a lifetime fee. I mean, some things are just priceless. You pay once and you forget about it, and you get full support every day. It's just like Do you think about the money you spent on a vacation? No. You go there, you have a great experience. You don't start and think how much you spent on the ticket because it's already gone. You had a wonderful experience. Money come and go, memories stay, right?
I agree.
So you're not gonna, uh, after a year, think about the $400 that you bought a ticket, but you're gonna think about the time you had on that vacation, right? So,
Bro, just the community is worth it for me.
Beitu, how important is to be in a community where everyone does the same thing,
Yeah,
and
and
you learn so much. If I wasn't in some of the groups I was before, maybe I wouldn't know a lot of things I know now. You know,
also important is that was for me. I was in other groups as well, but I'm out of, like, I'm still in those groups, but I close everything on those groups because you have to focus on one thing. If you are in five other groups and you are switching from one to the other one, it doesn't make sense. If you really take it serious and you really want to focus on something, just do one group and focus on that strategy, and I'll promise you it will work.
yeah, yeah.
Like break and
I
beat.
was in the beginning in different groups. When there's a group and everybody trades different, your mentor doesn't give you a certain way and follow the same rules for everyone. Everyone's gonna send different kind of way of trading, and it's gonna be a mess. You won't know what you're doing. Just like I did a rule in my group, only break and retest. We have a vision, we have a way to trade, we use the same rules. Let's just master it. That's all. Let's just master one way of trading, stick to that, see if it works for you or not. If it doesn't work, change it. Find something that works for you. Not everybody's going to be able to do the same thing. People not going to have enough patience for this. Change it. Find a way of trading that doesn't require a lot of patience. But only know that it's one of the best ways to trade. Well, a special offer is not automatically reducing price, can be something else. Well, I don't know. What can I do else as a special? Maybe do a long webinar for 24 hours or something like that. Black Friday is uh, for things, for for like I'm thinking of buying a TV. Yeah, I'll wait for a discount on that. Why not?
What's also really important to know? You kinda like buying knowledge, and knowledge Seat has is not like it's always growing. It's always growing, and it's not like that. Someday the knowledge is worth less. It can
Yeah,
only be worth more,
yeah, it's
logically.
priceless. Look, if you think at it about it, all the school we've done, it was never free. We paid for years of learning. You pay. You're going to a public school, but you're still paying because you have to get there. You have to pay for transport. You have to pay for food. You have to pay for that, for that. There are a lot of things. It's not free. You're doing 15 years, 20 years of your life going to school, and it's still not free. Your teachers get paid. If they would like to uh, teach people for free, they wouldn't get paid, but they get paid because they're giving you knowledge that's going to serve you for the rest of your life. So if you're 20 now and you don't want to pay a small amount for the whole other years that are coming for you, I mean, I don't know. Uh, I wouldn't invest in a lot of things, but I would definitely invest in getting the knowledge. If I would know there's a guy there that knows a lot, and I would do my research, and he's all good. He's doing all these good things, and his way of trading makes a lot of sense for me. I would definitely go for it. I paid for stupid courses also, but I never complained. I did what I did. I thought that I'm gonna find something. I didn't. Move on. Move on. Find someone who is better. Find someone with results. Find someone that does something that makes sense for you. Not pay a guy who has motivational quotes on his Instagram. Find someone who has uh, everything about trading. You know.
Bro, I have
I'm
motivational quotes.
Yeah, there are plenty of these kind. Like
Yeah, but I don't have any course.
they hide their trading like it's something secret. I don't have anything to hide. I'm just telling you everything you need here. Everything you know, how to enter, how to exit, how to manage the trade during the while you're in, how everything. I mean, who does that? I guess
That how
not everyone. Only
that
few people.
how would you see EA? Have you talked about that?
I talk about EA
Okay.
and see the 4 hour closed above. 1 hour
Hmm.
closed below. I said it might be coming deeper, and it actually is doing that. It's coming deeper. Uh, I honestly would skip this because it is not a very safe pair to trade right now. It might reject all the way up. Who knows? A daily support might have effect on that. It's coming for, so we'll see. EU is pushing, yeah, finally is pushing. Hopefully, we'll get a breakout and a retest here. Hopefully, Aussie dollar. I just hope it makes a retest here. Did you actually do Astro FX? No, but I had it for free, and I didn't even go more than a webinar, which is 13 minutes. Webinars of 10 minutes. Uh, I'm never gonna share with anyone because it's other people's work. How would I feel if someone would share my webinars that are meant not to be free for free? It wouldn't be good, so I would never do that. I'm just telling you my opinion. It's not worth it. I want to see if I would like to buy a course. I would like to see that mentor trade, right? I would like to see him trade and not tell me what happened in the past and what can happen. I want to see a live trade. If you want me to be your mentor, what do? You go to live stream and you see how I trade. I execute live. I do analysis live. If you like me, you come to my group. If you don't, you go somewhere else. It's all good. I'm getting a lot of messages. Gonna have to get to you guys later on. I'm having a lot of messages. You won't be able to answer them right away. Guys, gonna have to go now because it's 11:30 almost. 11:30 almost. Gonna have to go. But look, there are some setups coming. For the YouTube guys, I'm sorry, but with my group, we're gonna keep in touch. Of course, we'll see on the chat. But for the YouTube guys, Aussie dollar needs a retest for more continuation. Where can you enter? Enter where candles are closed in a 5 pip range, 5-6 pip range. It's up to you, but it might not give us the full retest, the deep one that would like, because it's pretty far right now. Might come for retest. What else? Euro US dollar is trying to break. If it closes above, wait for a retest. USD CAD, we're waiting for a deeper pullback. It's not pushing more than this, but entering here, it is too far. It is too early, I mean. To enter here is too early because we have a 10 pip range. At least we need to enter in a 5 pip range, so 350 would be better. Right now it is too early. 10 pips range, it can come deeper, and we don't want to end up in an early entry. GBP US dollar, there's nothing right now. Price is ranging. Probably we can reject from this zone. We have some rejections. We'll see about that. GJ, there's a good chance that GJ breaks 139.200 here. If it breaks, we might have some continuation to this next zone. What else? What else? CAD JPY, it's nothing there. These pairs on the bottom, I don't like them. I'm just going to stay with these other pairs. So, thank you everyone. Have a nice day. And see you tomorrow. Thank you all. See you tomorrow. USD CAD is pushing slowly. We'll see. It needs to come higher. I think we're going to have a rejection here because it makes a lot of sense to continue. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a nice day. Leave a like if you like. If you don't like, then still good. But in order to grow as much as we can, that's how we do it. Let's see, are we at 8? Wow. We have made a new milestone, 8,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you. We are growing every day. Thank you, everyone. We're just getting bigger and bigger. That's a good thing to know, because we know that we're doing something good, right? Since we are growing. Growth only tells one thing, that we are doing something good. Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow.